Hello everyone. I'm just checking the voice settings and resolution settings. Hello everyone. Okay, I have only a few minutes left. I think check some. I think my voice seems okay in Streamlabs at least. The music seems a little too high. Maybe I should move it a little bit lower. This one seems enough, I think. Okay, the resolution seems enough. Yeah, everything seems right. That's nice. So let's create the first clash for tonight and start a private clash. Only let's do only reverse tonight. Maybe start. Just copy the link and paste it to chat. Oh, looks like Remy 6 also works right now. Okay, I pasted it to chat, so you can just let's invite Alice. Maybe he will join. June, welcome. And my connection seems also, my connection quality is good. That's nice. Okay, we are probably 2 people in the first clash tonight. Okay. Um, okay, this seems should fine. Let's build this thesis. Oops. Link please, sure. I will pass the link to chat. Hello, Snowman. Proof, welcome. Sunflow, welcome. So what did I wrong here? Oops, no, there's no white space in here. I think, yeah, there's no white space there. That is perfect. So I can submit my solution. I think the question is quite self-explanatory. So, oh wow, there are a lot of flashers after we started. Tahirok, Snowman, Viatzel, Dekoza, Neo, welcome all. I think it's quite fun, difficulty is kind of easy, and test case relevancy is ideal. Leah saw a link, sure, I pass the chat. That one is easy, I mean, probably a lot of people solved it clearly. Hakan, hello. If you're looking for the link, I pass it to chat again. You can still join from that link if you want. Hello Alice, welcome. Was it a fun one? Yeah, I mean, it's quite easy question to, for what, I think I paste it to chat again. You can still join it if you want. It's quite easy, I mean, for all the digits for a given string, you have to count how many that digit is occurred in the string, and you have to print the star for each count. Yeah, looks like Remy is start posting to Discord. Storycode97 has also joined. Yeah, it's only when there is some required contest that it should be eligible for rewards. Sahir Rocks also sold, Viatsel sold, Yasuo sold, perfect. You can whisper me, Alice. You can whisper me the link. Okay, let's check Alice's contribution. I think it's just the right difficulty for Clash. Okay, that's nice. There is no playlist here. There is a YouTube channel called Chilled Cow. It's a lo-fi hip-hop radio, and we always play that stream in that. Are we starting a new Clash? I mean, there's only 5 minutes left. I can join with that one if you want. If you're familiar with programming, you can easily solve this probably in 5 minutes. I pass to chat again the current one, sure. But after this one is finished, we create a new one, of course. Historical, thanks for the follow. Koza, thanks for the follow. Your music is always pretty chill. It's relaxing. Thank you so much, Alice. Chill hop? No, let me write it. It's a YouTube channel, by the way. It's called Chilled Cow. I write it to chat. It's a soft music, I mean, and it's very relaxing, and it is. I think it's okay to, since probably they don't have any copyright issue. So can easily. I already listened them for a long time, and I can listen in the stream as well. I think it's quite nice, relaxing music. Yeah, lo-fi is good. Exactly. Okay, story code is also completed. Let's check Halish Scott. Horsing around in the multi-universe. There's a knight on an infinite grid of chessboard. Touched from A8. Origin board is capable of reaching the following squares. B6 and C7. B2 and C1, G7 and H6, and G1 and H2. Genuine, hello, welcome. It's a little twist on the regular knight moves problems. This time it's allowed to go out the bounds onto another board. Oh, that's nice. Given the knight starting square on the origin board and end squares, which must jump in seconds, output XY coordinate pair of the board, and on which is ultimately lands. Bearing in my mind, a knight must always move 2 squares over and 1 square away, or vice versa. Ignore any squares which the knight cannot legally jump. So as an output, XY coordinate pair of the board and the knight is on after performing all legal moves. Line 1, the knight starting square. Okay. Line 2, the number of squares the knight attempt to jump to. Next n lines the squares. Do you think it's too hard? Honestly, I mean, I didn't get any perfect solution for first time looking at it, but I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit hard for me, but I can upvote since you, as you know, I mean, I probably upvote all of your contributes to CodinGame. And I think it's a little bit hard for myself, at least. I mean, I don't know what other people said. Okay, June, Neo, Snowman is already sold. That's nice. No problem. What is the link of the contribution? I will pass it to chat, so you can still vote it for Alice's contribution. I passed it to chat. Check his Alice code and check his contribution and vote for probably an upvote. It is mostly just a matter of keeping track of the knight's position. The tricky part is figuring out which board he jumped to if he moves, if his move makes him leave the board. Oh, okay. I see. I see. I'm not sure, honestly. Maybe in the fifth, if I think in 10 more minutes, I probably might, but not right now, honestly. When I first time, I couldn't think any perfect solution, honestly. But why not? I mean, since I started stream this. Like for example, every day, every other 2 days, we probably reach your question as well. I mean, we solved in the past your contribution as well. It's feasible, yeah. I will figure out to make easier puzzles. I also think it's feasible. You have to quickly find the right frame of the mind or something. That's nice. And Clash is complete, and Snowman also sold. That's nice. Okay, let's check my code. I think it's quite easy to understand, at least. As you can see here, I will take all the integers in a list here. So after that, so I created a for loop from starting 1 to 9. So I will for every line I will print the current iteration number and a star count, how many times that occurs in that list. So this is the simplest way, I think. So and it passed all the test cases. You've probably done this way already. Easier puzzles can be made with matrix, yeah. You know, Gauss equations and everything. Doesn't seem too hard. You just need the length of the board and keep track whenever your XY coordinates passes that length. Create a multiple degrees. If you are watching, you can iterate over range 9 instead of creating array or helps. Neo, let's check Neo's code. Where's Neo? Up here. Yes, you can say easily range 9, or so. It's a simpler way, I think. Next puzzle will be 3 night problem. Oh, we don't want that. We don't want that, I'm sure. Okay, let's create a new one. Let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Obviously, you just check which coordinates surpasses it, x and y, or which direction, negative or positive. Oh, yeah. There are already 6 people joined. Oh, Noya is the new coder, just started last week. I mean, that's nice. He solved the clash already. I mean, I think it's quite good. And Naya is also joined. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, we are 9 people right now. Alice also joined. Oh, Alice. No. But I'm not fast enough, I mean. Yeah. I wish you had won that. Thank you so much. I mean, how many characters did you write actually? I thought you... okay, let's calculate this one. In this boilerplate, you get only the first line, right? You write only the second line, I think. 20 seconds in C# generally more impressive than 20 in Ruby. Yeah, I mean, thanks. No, I cleared the boilerplate and wrote the whole thing. Okay, so how many characters in there? Let's character counter kill. So how many characters did we both write? Character count. Your is 47. Okay, let's check mine. I write this one. And I write this one, and I write this one. So I have to delete the boilerplate string here. Count. Oh, 39. So that means you have a faster as a typing also. Not just thinking, but as a typing also. Since I write this only this one and in here. Okay, that's fine. I was making it more complicated than it was. We can't see your code. It's quite kind of fun. Difficulties, I mean, it's too easy, I think. Test case C is ideal. Historical snowman HTTPSX also solved. I usually delete the template code because it tends to get in the way more than it helps. Yeah, I mean sometimes they do. I still haven't worked out what to do yet. Yeah, exactly. There are 3 times 2, which is 27. It's quite easy to see, I think. I mean, that's why it took me so long. I originally thought you would multiple each number by amount of the number instead of just one. Okay, June, and yes, I couldn't solve this one. Okay, but it was n power of n instead of 1 plus I power of n. Everything okay until third cases. Then I submitted before I ran out. Yeah, I mean, it happens all the time, VSL, don't worry. I do the same thing over and over again, probably more than once. Algebra, hello, welcome. Okay, June, Decosa, and Neo is also clashing. Bad day today for Turkey. I hope everything will be well soon. Yeah, I mean, thanks, Algebra. And if you don't know yet, guys, there is an earthquake in the near sea from Turkey, which is the closest city is the Izmir, which is affected very bad actually, and it's an earthquake 6.6, and I felt the earthquake is from in Istanbul, and it was very I was very fear for today. I mean, it was a very bad day, and there are a lot of small earthquakes after it. Also, it probably takes maybe 1 hour and 1.5 hours. Continue to do some earthquakes as well. Yeah, thanks, Alice. I mean, it was a very hard day because this is the first time actually I really felt the earthquake itself with that hard. I mean, my table, my chair will clearly moved in a few times, and it takes probably 35-45 seconds and continues to crash. Would be worse than if I hadn't occurred in Egan. Yeah, I mean it's the I mean if I were in Egan, yeah, it will be probably a worst. But even in Istanbul is between Istanbul and Izmir, there are almost 400 kilometers. But even here, even from here, I felt it very in a hard way, and that's why it's a very shocking earthquake. Since as you can see here, 6.6. It's what is called? It's a level or something. 6.6 is quite hard earthquake. Richter scale, yeah, agree. They agree. Richter scale, yeah, probably. I mean, it was a very hard today, honestly. Kosovo will happen if it's more closer to Turkey, definitely worse. Yeah, I mean, the earthquake itself also happens in also actually experienced in Greece. You know, the Greece and Turkeys are very close. The earthquake itself also experienced in Greece also. So it was a very high Richter scale. I mean, I never feared it. I never experienced such an earthquake before. Okay, Decoza and Neo has also solved. Neo, since that means if you start, looks like someone said you started a week ago about programming, which is quite nice. You are solving all the clash so far. So let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. What keyboard do you use? I mean, I use laptop, so I don't have any additional keyboard, which is Lenovo's Z50 original keyboard. Okay, we are now 6 people here. Oh, that's nice. Now, right now there are 3 streamers who runs. Yeah, nice accent. Where are you from? I am from Turkey. Oh, you have friend here? Oh, that's nice. Okay, we're now, yeah, six people here. Oops. Okay, I have an idea at least, but I'm not sure if I can write all of them properly. Um, okay, let's check the results first of all. And maybe string representation. So I think one of the best way to solve this and to calculate the only the these ones and Hamza, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. So, oops, I shouldn't delete this. This I try to, I always try to get this last digit. Actimur, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Yep, it says 5,535. Exactly. Thank you, it's going well. We are solving Clash of Code problems in CodinGame. So, first of all, I have to write this as a using with padding maybe. The first one is always the longer ones, so that's okay. But oh, okay. I have to do I need to use that for loop? I don't know. Isn't it just standard multiplication algorithm typed out? Exactly. So, for example, in like this one, I calculate 5 times 123 and write here, and 40 times 123. So the last one, okay. So I want to the string representation. pad left, total int, result length, how many characters as a string. So this one should be as a first line, okay, and then like a second line should be the second operator, but not length, is length -2, because the first two characters should be x and empty string. So like this one. Okay, let's try this one. At least it writes first. Oh, that's great, it perfect writes first one. And that's dash character. Maybe I can solve this in time, who knows. New string, that's how many times, result dot length. Okay. Then while upper 2 is bigger than 0, so I have to divide it by 10 and get the last digit to calculate the, for example, our result var temp is 1. So also that right line. New string, I should write some empty characters, empty white spaces, but how many times? Sometimes total length, result dot length minus upper 1 multiple by let's calculate your current is temp by R1 equals to module 10. So this is the current. Current dot string dot length, current dot length. Let's call this string representation. Result so and plus the current. Yeah, and every iteration, for every iteration upper to divide by 10 and temp multiple by temp. So let's try this one. Perfect, it's past this also, so I should write here that one, and I should write the result. I think result. Yeah, this should work. Let's play all test cases. Oops. Aha. I have a problem here. So, oh, that's not always one space. How many space? Yeah, total length. Result dot length. Result dot length minus start to string dot length minus 1. Okay, let's play all test cases here. Oops, I got it wrong. Oh, there's a no. What? Oh, I don't have the padding here, I think. Yeah, I don't have padding right now since I only write x and the spaces, how many spaces that needed here, and yeah, I shouldn't pad it. The itself. Okay, this should work, I think. Oops, I have another problem right now. Found expected. What? Oh, okay, not the case. Oh, that means there's always with this one, but the white spaces are here before the x. Okay, but how many times? So the result length minus okay, result length minus operator minus 2 is this one, and x and white space make 2 characters. Let's play all test cases like that. Oh, I still got that wrong. What? Why it writes as a 0? Oh. Oh, if it is 0, it's not 0. I have only 2. Oh, I can write here. Let's play all test cases. That is perfect. Wow, I hope no, I couldn't solve this. Oh my goodness. What did I miss there? Yeah, T-Bone, right. I try to I have to skip the zeros. Yeah, it was so close, but at least it passed all the test cases. Not all, 75%. That's nice. I mean, it's quite fine. I like these kind of questions actually. I mean, it's quite like a brainstorming here. Difficulty perfect and test case relevancy ideal. So let's check how Alice solved this. Okay, W is the size of the result, and R just W to complete the double length. I think this is the, and how many times that W length, which is the result length. Yeah, I did. I tried the same. Yeah, are just heading on the right. I think so too. I did the same mentality here, but maybe I have done something wrong in the calculation. Okay, I mean, that's nice. I like this question, honestly. Okay, let's start a new one. Let's start a private clash. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join me the link in the chat. Yeah, it's also for string manipulation, but it's also I mean, you have to calculate the, for example, when you send the module get the last digit of the second operator, for example. Yeah, paddings first, so exactly. Okay, Alice also joined. We are now 9 people, I think. I solved this one before, I think. Not the case. I write the wrong words. Oh, this is not what the question asks, I think. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's not the case here. Not what the question asks. That's that. Yes, like, no, that's not the case. Oops. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not the case. And I also should check as a part of it. No, if I check as a part of it, I mean, did we just look at for substrings? I'm not sure, honestly. Not probably just for substrings, but Nikitli, you are clearly trolling the stream. Don't do that. I'm giving you timeout. Maybe you have to think what you have done already. And there's no point to troll the stream. That's not cool at all. At least take me in your experience. Let's play all other test cases. So it's only. Nope, it doesn't take the. So let's not check for all the characters in this given string that not in case insensitive, but Evolving is also solved. What am I missing here? I'm clearly missing something obvious, but I couldn't even see it. Yourself. Thanks, sir. Thank you. Very good night. Oh, what am I doing wrong here? Yeah, ordering is not the case. Oh, for maybe. So I should check all the characters and their codes, their test, their appearance count maybe. The last one counts because if you reorder it, then it has algorithm in it. Okay, this one is an algorithm, this one is an algorithm. No, but yeah, that's only 3 and this one doesn't count. I don't do any ordering. That means for all the characters in W, which is the lowercase, so that's not the casing does not matter here as far as I can see. That means the S to lower contains. That means the current string is contains. But for that, so it takes character by character. That doesn't what. Yeah, maybe the ordering can solve this. For example, contains all the characters in that given input as a to lower. All. Oh, but ordering does not matter here. It's the same code as I wrote before. And at least it should be, no, that's not the case, because Y is also breaks the rule here. It seems you gotta check by every car. Yeah, I mean, I should check every character, but I probably solved this one in past, but I can't solve this right now. I totally remember this one. Okay, I mean, I can submit mine. Let's check Alice code. Uppercase, the input is an input. Uppercase characters and characters all. Oh, character count. Yeah. For every yeah. Not just containing not contains not enough, because it has contains the same amount of that character at least less or bigger, or bigger or equal. Yeah, not using contains does not enough, because the source string has at least the equal or less character from the target string. Yeah. To check if every character contains the string, algorithm will get the last one. Yeah, I mean, exactly. Okay. Slytherin, which one is yours? This one, I think. At least this message is for you, looks like. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash. Start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat. So you can still join with the link in the chat. Dylan, thank you. Have a good night. Take care. Yeah, Alice is the Chuck Norris of the coding game, exactly. What a nice metaphor, by the way. Nia, if you beat me, I will buy you a special chicken from your country of Russia. A little incentive for you. Okay, or maybe you subscribe my channel as well, as an additional one. Since I have only, oops, how many hours left? 7 hours left for my subscription goal. Özkan, are you try Code Wars? I tried Code Wars in past, as when I first time start my stream, and I don't do anymore. If you look at my, for example, if you look at my YouTube channel, you can see a few Code Wars stream also, but Code Wars doesn't have an interactive way like CodinGame, so a lot of people can join and try to solve the same problem. That's why I like CodinGame more. It's a very interactive way to stream, at least. In CodinGame, only I can code and people watch, but that's not what I want in my stream. I don't like the way that only I coding and people watch. I mean, some people like it, but I personally don't like. So I like the way the interactive way to a lot of people can join the same thing and everybody try to solve the same problem. And even if they don't, even if they can't solve it, I mean, it's okay. We always try to explain at the end of every clash. So I mean, that's why, I mean, as a website, I like Cold Wars, and it's quite nice, but for us, I don't think it's quite fit for the stream. Piano notes, I don't even look at the question, honestly. Who is discriminating against me? GC, I have negative knowledge of music. Is this about music? Maybe. So, I think that's not one. But that's not too hard, I think. Is it? But if you have to rotate, so oh, it is bottom to up, bottom to top, but now this can be represent C, for example, in here. I mean, I have so little music knowledge. Observe that there's never more than one O in the same column. Oh, as a no. A, B. So even if the same, or even if the calculated column, this shouldn't be B instead of C. I mean, it is the second row from the top, from the bottom. It shouldn't be this one's B instead of C. I don't know, is there a note, there's a B, yeah. B is the first one. No, that's not the first one because it's only bottom to right, bottom to up, bottom to top. So so annoying, screw this. Yeah, I mean, let's think at least. I mean, even if we can't solve this, that's okay. By every column, but they are not even in alphabetical order. It's reasonable, of course. They are music notes. It's a from follow if your language makes it easy to transpose the 3D to the array. Very annoying otherwise. But
in the description.
I mean, I don't know honestly. Embrand, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Kentego, hello. After the first row, you know the number of nodes, that's the length of the string. But if oh my god, now I understand. Or do I? Do I understand? No, I didn't. Wait a second. Nope. Oh, you have to. No, that's not the case. After first row, you know number of nodes, that's the length of the string. Looks like owns are the important thing. Read from left to right. Owns have different names as the letter. I mean, we already understand that, but if it transpose it. Okay, I mean, I don't know honestly. Let's check Alice's code then. Okay, you did the transpose for starting that means the first column from top to bottom will be the first row. This one goes bottom up instead of left right analysis. Step 2. Is this step 2 means is this skipping characters? F, E, D, B, C, A, G, F, E again. Okay, that's the music notes, maybe the usually written by with an order, but I didn't even know that. I mean, that's why even I try to solve as a coding way, I probably couldn't figure out this way because I don't have this music information. I mean, music notes. How can we type this? Order. Is that the case? Oh, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, I didn't even know that. There's spacing in between each of the notes. As a step 2 just skips over it. If you sheet music, it stands out pretty quick. I didn't even know that, honestly. Oh, that's nice. As you can see here, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, that's nice. I mean, with thinking this way, it seems easy. But I didn't even know that. Aha. I never seen anything like this. And then once you have the columns as the rows, it's just a matter of converting the index of the O to a note. Yeah. So just the transpose and then go character count, not character count, because character count you have to take the index, not the count itself. I mean, for example, as you can see here, the index of that character, and reaches with that string index, which is the index that belongs O, and take that string of that index character. Oh, that's nice. I mean, if you can see it that way, it seems very easy, but I didn't even know that, honestly. Music notes order, alphabetical order. Okay, thanks Alice, thank you so much. And let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so you can still join with the link in the chat. Wow, we are now 20 viewers. Wow. For a Friday night, it's a very good viewer count, I think. Okay, we are now 6 people here. Okay, we are now 7 people. Okay, Alice has also joined. Nope, no, not submit. No. What? Why this won't work? What? Oh no, oh my goodness. Oh, I am completely an idiot. No. Oof. I mean, I completely missed an easy for loop. Oof. That's okay. I think it's kind of fun. Difficulty is easy. Test case relevancy is ideal. What? Oh my goodness, oh, I probably get some overflow or an integer overflow. Yeah, probably. I mean, even I submitted before try to all the test cases. I always do the same mistakes. One of the test cases are probably integer overflows. Okay, T-bone is also solved. Antaiga is also solved. That's nice. Algebra solved. Oh, night. Are you okay? Are you in Izmir? I think Izmir is the closest way to earthquake. Today's earthquake. I hope you and your family is okay now. Okay, that's great. That's nice to hear. If they are okay, that's great. Two issues are there are so many ways to think because the language was designed to make programmers happy, and that's all the convenience comes with a performance cost. Exactly. Okay, there are only 4 people left, the clashers. Okay, there are 6 minutes left. June is also solved. Roydol, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Sure, let me copy the link and paste it to chat. I'm not sure you can still join, but let's try your chance. Sometimes CodinGame does not allow to private clashes after the start, sometimes does allow. I don't know how that works honestly. Now we need something to spend all these channel points on. You're complete right, Alice. I'm working on it right now. I try to create some creative ideas on channel points, all channel points, or how to spend them. I am working on it. I mean, I will probably create somewhat creative way to solve, at least in for CodinGame, or I don't know, maybe some mod selecting for some channel points. I mean, I don't have any perfect for example, if you guys any suggestions, I will consider to think it honestly. How can we in a creative way to use these channel points, for example? Everyone has also joined. For example, if you guys said before, I think you should play making games streams. To play making games. I mean, I'm not familiar too much game development, honestly. We should do some sort of community project. Maybe, but I mean, again, even if with the live coding, it wouldn't enough to effective way we do in here, because in here there are a lot of people. I mean, most of the viewers, I mean, we don't have too much viewers, of course, but most of the viewers can always join the coding game clash and try to solve. Even they can't solve, they try to solve the problem itself. And I think this is a great way to get, I think it's a great way to make a practice and increase their programming levels. But when we stream for a the common project or live sharing or posting or uploading to GitHub, for example, I mean, it is the only thing I can code also in here and people still watch. But this is not really what I want in my stream. I want to stream that everybody can still practically coding with the somewhat on my stream, not just watching. I mean, some of them, some of the people only watch my stream and they don't do in a practice. But I try to force people to join, at least even if they can't solve the problem. It is completely okay. We always explain at the end of the clash, but I think this is the best interactive way to someone for me, at least this is the best way to interact with people. Can you share your nickname? Sure. My nickname is Boya M1. It's called microphone Boya M1. Let me write it in the chat. Boya M1. It's written like that. This is my microphone name, brand at least. Hope it's okay. I mean, I check a few times for videos. I mean, it is the best microphone for a started streamers, not for advanced level, but for a beginner level streaming YouTube and creating some YouTube content. It's a okay microphone for a beginner level streamers and beginner level video content creators. Okay, so the best thing I think here, so for end times, this is the end times, I multiple by x was the result and increase the x. So for example, the first one is 6 and the second one is 4. I should multiple 6, 5, 4 and 3. Okay, that's an easy one, I think, but my code probably overflows for some test cases. Start a new clash. and I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join the link in the chat. By the way guys, if you wanna check the streams also, and if you wanna check some other programming related, sure, Lettenberg, I can share the link. And you can always check my YouTube channel as well, as you move it right in the chat right now, or you can type !social to the chat, and you can see my Twitter and YouTube accounts as well. If you wanna, I try to upload every stream from starting from that month to YouTube as well. I mean, if you want to check again, I will completely upload probably every stream in there also. We are now 11 people. That's nice. Mouse joined, Mike Brandt, Boy. And we are now 12 people. Everyone also joined. We are now 13 people. Alice. Oops. What? Wait a second. I should down that in my space. Yeah, probably. What the? How is it impossible this will add? Oh, there's a negative values also. Aha. That won't work in that case. So we should write it as a long way. Oh, oh my goodness, there's also white space here. Don't work. Oh, there's an invalid result? Oh my goodness, I didn't even read the question completely. Oh my goodness. I always forget this kind of things. When should we write invalid? Oh, they're. Oh, I wish I will check the other test cases. I submit too early. Yeah, I mean, it's quite fun. Difficulty is easy. Test ideal, so I can submit it. I bet Alice typing speed like 500 words per minute. No, probably won't. I had so much when I need to deal with paddings. I get this stress space to the end. Algebra usually, for example, I mean, most of the programming languages support such a joining. For example, when you add these items in a list or an array, and you can join all the elements with a white space. That's why with that way you don't have the white space at the end. For example, as I can see here, as you can see in my code, there's a string.join method, or a lot of programming languages have such like functionality. So there's a string.join method which you can all the items in that list with a white space separator. With that way, you don't get the white space at the end. Okay, mouse pins, Boy, Pentagon, Bowen has already solved. June probably forget the invalid result like me. Okay, there are 4 people still clashing. Okay, Microsoft has also solved in JavaScript. That's nice. Mike Grant, Lettenberg, and Toshi still clashing. Lettenberg has also solved. Okay, let's check Lettenberg's code. How can we first of all, you don't need to that count at the first. If they are not equal length, you have just invalid and return as you did here. As a first, for example, right here, you should do that. So I mean, I don't see any unnecessary things. This else part should be maybe in here, for example. Tash Cox, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. I mean, you probably have. You used an array. I mean, that's okay. I mean, I don't see any unnecessary thing in your code. Okay, clash is completed. Oh, okay, that's nice. Toshi, Mike Brandt also solved. That's nice. That is very nice. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and paste it to chat. If you want to remove execute white space, use strip on the string. Yeah, that's for the Python, I think. Okay, Paranoid also joined. Rohit, welcome. Laraj, welcome. Cocods, welcome. Oh my goodness. How many? We are 15 right now. That's nice. Yeah, 5 people streaming Clash. I mean, it's really nice in my opinion. That's very nice. There's a French. There are 2 or maybe 3 French and 2 English streamers. The last one, Zayri, might be in French also. That's nice. I mean, it's really nice to see people streams CodinGame. Okay, we are now 15 people. Just gotta adjust 25 space. Tai, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oops, this. Hi. What the hell is going on here? Kyle from Brazil. Oh, okay, that's nice. Is this something to do with even out amounts of them met with numbers? I mean, I don't know, we are... Oh yeah, oh my goodness, it was so easy. Is it? Yeah. And when you see the pattern, always everything's changed. Yeah, when you see the pattern, it's always get easier. Pentago, have a good night. Take care. I mean, it's so easy. But there are take times. I mean, if you don't see that, maybe it takes times to figure out what is going on exactly. Quite fun. Difficulty is easy. Test case relevancy is ideal. Okay, Paranoid, Mouse, Pentago, Mike Brands, Toshi is also sold. This Alice is a monster, yeah, I mean. He's not a monster, but we can say he's an android. As we clearly know that before, because sometimes he just passed bleep blop in the chat, and we can make sure that, oops, there is an android in the chat. Yeah, 22 seconds, crazy. By the way, if you don't know who is Alice, Alice is the Clash of Code leader right now as a global. I mean, you can check in the leadership board. Yeah, Bebop, as you can see here in the chat, guys. When I say Bebop, he posted to Bebop, so he clearly is an android. He's not a normal human. As you can see here in the leaderboard, Clash of Code, and as you can see, Alice is the first one as a global. He sold over 4,300 clashes as a public clashes. So a normal human can't do that, as far as we all know. I mean, so yeah. I mean, don't look up his some writing full of human sentences in the chat. All of them probably is created by some machine learning or any other algorithms, of course. Yeah, as you can see here, Alice is the first person as a Clash of Codes global. June Lettenberg has also sold. T-Bowen has also sold. Nice. There are only 3 people left. Oh, please show his code. Okay, okay. Let's show his code. Yeah, Ruby makes easy things so easy, exactly. I mean, it's really nice to learn, probably, this kind of programmer-friendly languages. It will be really fun. Okay, Microsoft, Cocots and Heliteka is still clashing. How to read integers continuously until new line in C. I mean, there's a press key, Rohit. There's a press key something. I mean, if you can always check the you can always check the std in, for example. Sorry, not std in, scanf. And if scanf is equal to new line, so that means you should read. You should stop the reading. Menoi, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Sure you can. I mean, let's check how many minutes this is left. I mean, let's find the this clash link. Where is it? Yeah, I find it. So I passed it to chat. Maybe you can still join with that link, or if you can't, you can always join the next one as well. Yeah, Melanie joined. That's nice. Heliteka is also sold. That's nice. You pass the string to the scan to the first time, then afterwards press null instead until reuse the string after where it stopped scanning. Did you ever need to speak in English in your workplace? Sometimes if I had a meeting for foreigner people outside of my country, and we of course speak in English. My English, as you can see in my streams, is not perfect. So I mean, I was try my best. Where did you learn English? At school or something? No, I never learned any English in school. I learned English in watching a lot of TV series or films with a subtitle, of course, and playing a lot of video games like Counter-Strike or Age of Empires, and reading a lot of programming related papers and blogs and all the resources on the internet. Since for programmers all the good contents in English, so I didn't do anything special to learn English, honestly. I sometimes still practice in for example, what was it named? And Duolingo, and there's a website called Memrise, and there's a website called WordScreen. Yeah, these three websites, I mean, I really like to practice with some English, honestly. Yeah, I mean, I just pick it up over time, exactly. I didn't do anything to learn in English, honestly. I mean, all the things I have to work was in English, so I mean, I have no chance other than to learn it. Okay, Melanie Passett. That's how many minutes left. Yeah, Clash is ending. And Cogot also Clash is ending. For this question, by the way, as you can see from Alice Code, the given question is about the total of the odd numbers minus the total of the even numbers in the string, of course. That question was all about like that. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with the link in the chat. I mean, I know my sometimes I really can't figure out what to say or how to respond improperly, but for a stream I think it's enough to speak like that. But for writing, for example, and using the proper tense in English, it will be really hard sometimes. But I mean, these three websites, I think it's really good resources to learn English. And Duolingo, you probably already know that, and Memrise for a vocabulary learning, and VoiceScreen, which is for the hearing, so you can to check if you hear the things properly in English. Do Akbank want language score in the hiring process, or they don't push you talk in English in an interview? When I first joined Akbank, yeah, I know you are Turkish. I know. When I first joined Akbank, they don't as an exam or talk in English when I first joined. I don't know if they do right now, but I never heard that like that. We are now 12 people. Oh, that's nice. Nice question. Algebra, see you. Yeah, the earthquake, today's earthquake in Izmir was really bad. I mean, I feel the frost even from the Istanbul very badly. And this is the first time actually I really scared for such an earthquake. I really felt it very bad way. Eliman, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, you are from Bulgaria. Okay. It's even I think there's an even felted by Greece, as far as I know. No, 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 I shouldn't. Maybe I don't need that array. Maybe I need just the array. Yeah. R and let's play all these cases. Oops, did I add the wrong way? Oh, I should add as a J and I. Let's play all these cases. I figured this out, but I don't think I can write the code. Okay, that's great. I can submit it. Izmir is still shaking? Really? Oh, that's bad. I mean, I read the... okay, let's check maybe Kandili's page for the last earthquakes in Turkey. Wow, there's a... in Aegean Sea, guys, this is the Aegean Sea, by the way. There are still earthquakes from starting, as you can see here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of... wow. And where's the... this is the biggest one, 6.6, and as you can see, there are still a lot of earthquakes in Aegean Sea. Wow. Yeah, it's too... where was it? Yeah, it's 251. It's the biggest one, 6.6. But still, there are a lot of As you can see in Izmir and you can see there are a lot of still continues, by the way, shaking. I mean, show Alice code, sure. Okay, first of all, let's it's a quite fun, I think. Difficulty is perfect, test case relevancy is ideal. Since there are still people clashing here, I don't think it's will be cool to show some people code, but maybe we can show this when 1 or 2 minutes left. LTK is already solved, and Menoli has already solved. LTK is solved in Python. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's an easy problem, I think, of course, but it's not perfectly easy. But maybe some for other languages, it might be a little bit hard to write these values in alphabetical order, maybe. There are 2 minutes left. Maybe we can still show the Alice code right now. put an array for every character and their with indexes, and sort by the first, which is the index, or sort by the first, which is the row, then map to of that row and its column value is inserted as a row column, I think, as far as I can understand. I got something wrong to my sort algorithm. Okay, that's nice. Mouse, you can check my code or Alice's code as well. I mean, or health or Melanie write in Python. T-Bone has already solved. G-Call solved. June solved. Mouse, let's check your code maybe. Ambrand, you are looking for the for alphabetical order from A to Z as a lowercase, and you have to write that character in that matrix as a row and column number. You got to output the row and column of the letters, but in alphabetical order. Exactly, exactly. Based on 0, by the way. Row and column numbers should be based on 0. Okay, now the clash is complete. That's nice. A lot of people always solve the 40%, maybe with JavaScript. Yeah, you also need to here sort based on their. You have to write the console based on their alphabetical orders. Because you just need to write if there's a character, that means you need to write, but you have to write you have to keep all of them and write them in alphabetical order, column and row and column numbers. Okay, that's nice. Maybe the ordering might be hard for some other languages. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and passed it to chat, so you can still join the link in the chat. Yeah, I like it also. I mean, this was nice. Nice. Hate reverse mode. Really, I mean, I really like it. I really like reverse mode. I mean, since it is too late right now, for me at least, it's 1:20 a.m. I don't like too many long questions, honestly. Yeah, matrix transpose, exactly. Since Ruby has a transpose method, I mean, Soal is already solved. That's not fair, I mean. It's really not fair, yeah. um, so Blinky, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, exactly. I mean, some languages have advantages over the other ones because all of them using for a different purpose for the programming area, of course. Shape of the football makes it easier for a kick. You should be using something less front. Exactly. So I think this is the same way I can write it here. Result ki is array ij. So here It's a multi-dimensional array, not regular arrays. That's little test cases. I keep getting end of file when reading a line and I have no idea why. Oops. What did I wrong? There are only... what? Oh, there is an H, there is an L. Oh, okay. This should be L then. And also this should be L. Yeah. Oops. Let's play all these cases. That's 7. Oh. No. My new ray shouldn't be like that. HL and it's LH. Yeah, this should be my result. And this should L. And this should H. I completely mixed that. Yes. Oops. Didn't work. Where is my mistake? In the first line. Yo, he's an Android bug. As you can see in the chat, Grip Norp Bleach. As you can see, if you can somewhat write in alien in or Alice in the chat, he completely don't have any idea what to say. Timur, thank you. Have a good night. Oh, that means I need to reverse here maybe. I need to reverse? Yeah, I need to reverse here. So starting from bottom to up, not up to bottom. Yeah, that was my mistake. So I can write J first and H is L. No, it's not. No, that should be like L, H. I always confuse with kind of matrix code. No, that's not all, of course. Because and it will be I and G, but all the items from the reverse Yeah, to be reverse on the new. Yeah, exactly. I need to reverse the line. Thank you, Bowen. Have a good night. Thank you so much, Actimur. That's very nice of you. Thank you. Maybe starting from h-1 and until the bigger or less than 0. Maybe j negative minus. Yes. Oh, that's nice. I finally solved this. Okay. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of people already solved this. I am the last one who can solve this. The stream is nice. See you again. Thank you, Actimur. I mean, I try to stream almost every day. So you can always join whenever you like. Thank you so much. Okay, 3 minutes left. Alice, Seliteka, Toshi, Bowen, Menoli, G. Cole, June, Mounts has already solved. Okay, Mike Brandt and Paranoid, only the one who clashes. Okay, if you don't continue, you can submit it, Paranoid. So we can, if everyone can still join the, at least can submit, so we can pass the next one. Okay, Mike also solved as a 100%. I think it's quite easy for transposing the matrix as we wanted. So I create every, for example, in here ing array for results g and I array, and for the result part I counted every line as a reverse. That's why it makes it complete the transposing. So that's that's case all the past cases as well. So you can check other people's code as well. For example, yeah, Ruby has dot transpose functionality and also X-reverse functionality. That's nice. And as a C# programmer, I sometimes jealous, but I wish C# have just such a functionality for a lot of things. But that's okay. I mean, we are having fun just right now. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a reverse one. Just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join the link in the chat. I think it's better to solve puzzles to get good skills. Exactly. Here you only try to get fast solutions, but they are not necessarily better. Exactly. I mean, for myself, even I try to solve, for example, shortest mode. I usually don't write the shortest way possible, because since I am the streamer here and people try to look at my code and maybe they need to understand what is going on in there. and that's why I try to write readable as much as possible, no matter what mood we play. Such a nice music, I mean. I can't even write in browser right now. Oh no, that won't work. Oh. Oh my goodness, that won't work for the first test case. Oh, since there is oh. Last champ, hello. Oh, this. Oh, a lot of people already sold. That's nice. I don't know last Champions League. I mean, 2021. I hope it will be better than 2020. That's the only my hope, honestly. What did I wrong here? No, starting from one. Trade at length, but this won't work for the first escape. Yep, top 3 baby. Exactly. JavaScript rules, huh? This won't work probably. Yeah, this is the. But it passed at least one test cases probably. No? Really? That's the first string. First character. Wait, what? I didn't even get the first character here of the current string. Podimon, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh my goodness, what is this? E minus 0? Really? That's not the case. At least it should be the test case 4. No, it should start with 0. I mean, what am I doing? Why? Oh, that's not the case. Oh, is it? But wait a second. This here, there is an extra white space. Oh, since I split the string, it only takes this one, so oh, there is not even the concatenate the strings. Oh, that's nice. I understand. I already done it, but I think very wrong way. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you were right. So I can submit it. So it is too late here, so this is the best I can do right now. Okay, it's quite fine, I like it. Difficulty is good and test case relevancy is ideal, so I can submit it. Okay, June, Bounce, Paranoid, Heltec, Mike is already sold. There are only 4 people left. Yeah, I mean it's quite nice. So for starting with the first string in the given string, which is separated by white spaces, so only the first string contains all the first characters in a string, and the next strings have the rest of the string. So you have to take the first character in the string and the second string on the source string, and you have to take the second character in the first string and take the third string in the source string, and so goes on. I think it's a quite nice question. I mean, it's a nice string manipulation maybe. Manually, you have 75%. Why? Let's check your code. First L0, L. Oh, you reversed the 1 to end. Okay. First I. But I think you should calculate here first I minus 1, not the minus 1, or starting with E and range 0 to land first. Okay, what did I solve? How did I solve this? Oh no. This one should be maybe L minus 1. Oh no, it's not, because you only take the starting with the first the second index to at the end of the array. Problem is that split by spaces, line 8. What does this split method do? It doesn't split the white spaces. I split by space. I should have done one space. Oh, okay, now I see. Yeah, you are right. You're right, exactly. The rest of the code are completely fine, of course. Exactly. Toshi is 50%. Okay. So this is how I done it, by the way. I mean, I splitted all the string as a white space, only white space character, and I created a list of string here as a result. And for the first word in the all string length, I iterate for all the characters in that string, and I added that result array and first character, and within that string the character by character I added, and also the original array with my split it by white space original array, I take them I-1. So that means it skips the first one and takes the next E-1, E+1 exactly, E+1 array item. So I could concatenate them. I added to my result string, the result list. So at the end, I joined as a white space. So I write it as a one string, which is split all the words in a white space. Last one, then I should sleep. It was pretty nonsense, yeah. Lost my way on this, exactly. I mean, this is the somewhat not too much hard to calculate, maybe somewhat to manipulate the strings and takes only the characters from the first string, and I will for the rest of the string I will take the other ones by one by one. I hope I can explain it clearly, by the way. Sorry about that. After 3.5 hour stream, I little bit lost my voice. Oh, that's nice. I mean, let's call the night then. Guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight. It's almost 3.5 hours, so I'm a little bit tired, honestly, and I have to sleep. It is almost 2 a.m. in Turkey right now. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I mean, who joined to solve this tonight? June, Bones, Paranoid, LTK, Mike, Menoli, and Toshi, G-Call, C-Boy, and whoever I couldn't even say their name. Thank you so much. I mean, thank you so much all. Let's shout out my social accounts. If you wanna follow me on Twitter, my YouTube channel, you can see in the chat. And if you wanna support my stream as well, you can always subscribe my channel. And I will rate to Mitch, which is also another Looks like he's streaming right now also in CodinGame. So I will rate him. Send him to our love, by the way, guys. I mean, thank you so much to joining me tonight. And see you. I probably streaming tomorrow with 3 p.m. probably in Turkish local time, which is 11 UTC minus 3, since it is UTC minus 3. And thank you so much all, and have a good night. Bye bye.
Here. Like, we can't just move the order of these around if we're sorting by height, which makes me sad. This is actually a fun problem. Oh, this is awesome, actually. Can you have Link? Hell yeah, you can. Hell yeah, you can. Get on there. Challenge yourself, Manoy, and thank you for the follow. Whoa! Thank you, man. With the raid. Paying it forward. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome aboard, Raiders. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Thank you, Sonar. No idea. No idea. I know who you are. I just don't know how to say your name. Thank you for the raid. All the Raiders, welcome aboard. How was your stream? How was the stream? And thank you for the raid. That's very, very generous of you. I love a raid. Love a good raid. And thank you for the follow, by the way, Gerwin. I'm sure you're a raider, unless you just happen to follow at the right time. I'll drop the link for the concern, the new guys that are coming into stream.